Hey everyone, welcome to The Blind Pig. As always, I'm your host, Jason. For today's video, we're gonna make a blood and sand cocktail. Now, usually we do a ton of research before we make these drinks. We try it out ahead of time. We make sure it works. Sometimes we just say, what are we gonna do next? Let's wing it. So this is that. I did a quick search for what ingredients I had, what I could make, and found this drink. It's a very weird mix of ingredients for sure. We've got orange juice, we've got scotch, we've got sweet red vermouth, and we got Cherry Heering. And this is all going to combine, apparently, from what the internet tells me, into a good cocktail. Let's give it a shot. So to start out, we got a shaker already filled with ice. And we're going to use, this is one of those rare equal parts cocktails. We talked about that before. We did the paper plane. You don't get a lot of cocktails that use exactly the same amount of everything. This one does. So it is 3/4 of an ounce of all four of these. You know what? I got an ounce jigger here. I'm drinking this myself. It's a home cocktail. Let's just use an ounce of each. So we're using an ounce of each of first our Cherry Heering, which is very sweet, cherry flavored. It's very syrupy. And we got an ounce of our sweet red vermouth. Remember, guys, I say this every time we use it. Always chill your vermouth once you open it. It is a fortified wine. You got to keep it chilled. If you don't see it chilled at a bar, either A, you better hope they're going through a bottle a day, or B, don't order something with vermouth in it. An ounce of our scotch. We've used this scotch before in videos. It's a good mixing scotch. It's like a $20 bottle. Glengarry Blended Scotch. And then an ounce of our orange juice. And man, I can see orange and cherry working together. The scotch, the orange juice, all this together is really making me wonder, how is this going to work? I can already kind of picture the color, especially from the name Blood and Sand, but we'll see how it goes here. So we're going to give that a vigorous shake with some ice in our special Blind Pig shaker. When you get that frost on the outside, you know you're good to go. We take a rocks glass. Just need a single cube for this. We're going to use, I've used these before in one of my videos. We've got our diamond-shaped ice cubes from a mold. Pop one of those in the glass. Go ahead and strain that over. Ooh, look at that color. That's funky. And for a garnish, I wasn't really sure what to use. I figured there's some orange in there. There's cherry in there. Let's go ahead and use a dehydrated orange slice. Let's give it a shot. Cheers. Now, I am a fan of cherry in general, and I freaking love that. Wow, that's good. I'm doing a second sip. Yeah, I really enjoy that, guys. Try a Blood and Sand next time you're out. So once again, and as always, thank you for joining us. Please subscribe, like the video, leave a comment below. We'll see you again. Cheers.